Robert Mbui. After he finishes his second statement, I'll give you 2 minutes to make a comment and close it there.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I wish to welcome all members again, once again, back to the after the long recess.
On the same matter, Masara?
Mr. Speaker, for the first time I've heard the majority leader calling the President of the Republic of Kenya, William Ruto. Do you are in any way trying to tell us that you have removed other titles now that you are discussing CDF, Mr. Ichungwah? It is quite out of order for you, the leader of majority, not to use all the titles somebody has earned. So it seems things are not right with the majority leader. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Order. That is a most frivolous point of order.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. But, Honorable Speaker, you must appreciate the Honorable Masara. At least now he's not protesting and saying he does not recognize President William Ruto, His Excellency President William Samoei Arap Ruto, as the president. At least now he appreciates that the president is Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Honorable Speaker, I wish to welcome back members after the long recess and trust that you are all well refreshed for this part of the second session. Honorable Speaker, as members are aware, the Cabinet Secretary